Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we are going to solve this radical equation. Please, if you are new here, kindly do subscribe the channel for more videos. So let's get started. We have question number 1 says square root of 4 minus y plus 2, which is equal to 0. So the first step here is to isolate the radical term. That is, we have square root of 4 minus y is equal to y minus 2. So then square both sides of the equation. Square both sides. This squared get cancelled with the square root. We left with 4 minus y, which is equal to y minus 2 squared. We have y minus 2. So we can FOIL the right hand side. Y times y, we have y squared minus 2y times y, we have minus 2 times y, we have minus 2y, and minus 2 times minus 2, we have positive 4. Then 4 minus y is equal to y squared minus 4y plus 4. Rearrange, we have y squared minus 4y plus 4 minus 4 plus y equal to 0. This positive 4 get cancelled with negative 4, and minus 4y plus y, we have minus 3y, which is equal to 0. We have y squared minus 3y, we have y in common. We can factor y outside. Y open bracket y minus 3 equal to 0. We have two solutions here. Y is equal to 0, or y minus 3 equal to 0, and y equal to 3. Question number 2, we have square root of 3y minus 1 equal to 5. From this step, just square both sides of the equation. These two get cancelled with this square root. We're left with 3y minus 1 equal to 5 squared is 25. Therefore, collect the like terms. 3y is equal to 25 plus 1. If this negative 1 crosses this equality sign, it becomes positive 1. Therefore, 3y is equal to 26. Divide both sides by 3. Here by 3 also. This 3 get cancelled with this 3. We left with y is equal to 26 divided by 3. Question number 3, we have x minus 1 is equal to square root of 5x minus 9. The first step here is to square both sides of the equation. Square both sides. This squared get cancelled with the square root, and x minus 1, we can FOIL the left hand side. X minus 1, which is equal to 5x minus 9. Therefore, x times x, we have x squared. X times minus 1, we have minus x. Minus 1 times x, we have another minus x. And minus 1 times minus 1, we have positive 1, which is equal to 5x minus 9. X squared minus x, we have minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 5x minus 9. Collect the like terms. We have x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 5x plus 9 is equal to 0. Collect the like terms here. X squared minus 2x minus 5x, we have minus 7x, and positive 1 plus 9, we have plus 10, which is equal to 0. So from here, we form a quadratic equation to solve. So we can either use formulas for solving quadratic equation, or we can use factorization method. So to use factorization method here, it is to find two numbers. When we multiply it, it will give us positive 10, and when we add the numbers, it will give us negative 7. So we have minus 2 and minus 5. Yes, minus 2 times minus 5 is positive 10, and minus 2 minus 7 is negative 7. Therefore, x minus 2 in bracket, open bracket, x minus 5, which is equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0, and comma x equal to 2, and x minus 5 equal to 0, x equal to 5. This is the final answer. So the question number 4 says cube root of x plus 10 equal to 4. So the first step here is to cube the both side. Cube with both sides of the equation. This cube cancels this cube root. Then we're left with x plus 10, which is equals to 4. Collect the like terms. We have x is equal to 64 minus 10, and therefore x is equal to 54. This is the final solution. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more